Looking for a great Android flagship smartphone that won't break the bank? Perfect, because this video is here to help you make that decision. Hi, I'm Dez, and I'm here to help answer your smartphone questions, show you how to get things done, and help you make these complicated decisions a little bit easier. Because you can do this, and I'm here to help. Today, we're going to take a look at the new OnePlus 12. It's a high-end smartphone with great specs, flagship performance, and it's offered at a more accessible price point. In this video, we'll cover its key features and specs so you can figure out if the OnePlus 12 is the right phone for you. And be sure to stick around until the end, where I cover my 3 favorite camera features of the new OnePlus 12. Maybe these will be yours too. Now, let's get into it. Screen, camera, and battery. These 3 key components have always been top of mind when considering a smartphone. They enable features and benefits that can make or break your experience. So let's start with the display on the OnePlus 12. It's a super bright 6.82-inch 120Hz ProXDR display. It has a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, meaning it's up to twice as fast as the iPhone 15, making your experience appear faster and smoother than many other displays out there. This is great when you're gaming and can still make scrolling through Instagram a treat. In the camera department, this is the 4th generation of OnePlus's partnership with Hasselblad and their camera system for mobile. If you haven't heard of Hasselblad, it's a Swedish camera company that was NASA's first camera on the moon. The OnePlus 12's camera system is equipped with a 50 megapixel main camera, 64 megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom, and a 114-degree ultra-wide camera. Now, OnePlus has included lots of cool camera features and experiences to go along with this great camera system, like a Master Pro Camera mode, Portrait mode, and the X-Pan camera, but more on that in a minute. I've enjoyed using the OnePlus 12 for photos of daily life and candid videos of the family. Now, let's talk battery and power. The OnePlus 12 has a huge 5400 mAh battery, great for all-day use. And the OnePlus 12 charges fast, using what's called SuperVOOC, a charging technology created by OnePlus's parent company. SuperVOOC enables the OnePlus 12 to charge very fast, like 0 to 100% in just about 25 minutes. To round out the spec list, the OnePlus 12 comes in a 12GB RAM, 256GB storage option, and a 16GB RAM, 512GB storage option. There's a $100 price difference for more RAM and storage. The OnePlus 12 runs Android 14 out of the box, has the well-known OnePlus Alert slider, a USB-C charging port, and a dual SIM card slot at the base of the phone. Inside the box, you'll find the new OnePlus 12, a ton of documentation, some stickers, SIM ejector tool, SuperVOOC charger, and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Now, before I let you go, I promised I'd share my top 3 favorite camera features on the new OnePlus 12. First up is the Master mode, which lets the pro photographer manually configure white balance, shutter speed, ISO, focus, and more. Next is the Movie mode, which is pretty much a pro mode for video. It shoots in a cinematic 21:9 widescreen aspect ratio, and as you may have noticed, this entire video has been shot in movie mode. And finally, my favorite, the X-Pan camera. X-Pan is a cool way to capture and share stories. When you press the shutter button, the frozen picture will first appear as if it's a film negative and then develop right there on the screen. It's a fun experience and I love these shots. So there it is, the new OnePlus 12, packed with great specs and tons of cool, useful features starting right around $799. You can check out the new OnePlus 12 and order it directly from OnePlus.com, Best Buy, and Amazon. Links below. This has been Dez. Thanks for watching, and now stay tuned for another great video coming up next.